Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is the Smart Money Trader, and today we will be looking at the weekly VCP watch list that I have for the Indian stock market. So I trade both the Indian stocks as well as the US stock markets. The title of the video should always tell you which stock market this video is for. This one is for the Indian stock market, so let's get started. So for people who don't know what's VCP, VCP stands for Volatility Contraction Pattern, and I use this pattern for swing trading. So what happens is when price makes a big move to the upside, the price range contracts, and at this time the volume also contracts. So probably after this time, um, there is an explosive move that happens, and I try to capture that explosive move. Um, this is not a new pattern or something I discovered. This was popularized by Mark Minervini, and then a lot of successful traders like Pradeep Bonde, Kualamagi have used a similar kind of approach to make big money in the market. So I've learned a lot from them. Thanks to them. You can check out their YouTube channels as well. Um, but yeah, I'm sharing my watch list on this channel. It's time to give back something to the community I've learned from. So here I am. So let's get right into the watch list. The first one is Airtel. So the price is currently uptrending. So decent move, and you see the price range is contracting here. The volume has also dried down after this big move. You can see here the volume after that. The volume has been drying down. Okay. So right now it's the correct time to buy. I would just buy here. So if you want to just learn, you want to buy, you do your due diligence. But this is the setup that I generally trade. The price moves in like there is a big momentum to the upside, then the price range contracts, and then explodes to the upside. So I generally target like at least 10 to 1, but I don't put a set target here. I just trail my stop loss and probably close how the momentum presents. So if there is good momentum, extremely good momentum, price is exploding, I probably close when the price closes below the 10 EMA. If there is a decent momentum, not too explosive, probably trail it on the 20 EMA, and if the price closes below the 20 EMA, I close the trade, something like that. So you have different exit strategies, but that's the idea. So this one is a good stock. So Airtel. This one also DVSL Lab. The price has been contracting with reduced volume, and it's exploding now. I think it's right time to take the entry. If I look on the daily setup, yeah, might contract a little more before taking the explosive move. Sorry. So yeah, it's a good stock to watch, and probably it's going to explode. I am going to observe it for a couple of days before taking the entry on this one. So let's see. This one is another stock. So big move. The price has been consolidating, so I would take the entry on this one as well at the top, and probably the stop loss would be at the bottom of this candle. And again, the idea is to find the explosive moves. So yeah, so risk to reward would be at least 10 rewards to 1 risk. So yeah, that's the 3 stocks that I am watching, and there are some couple of more stocks which are not yet presenting with the VCP setup, but could, because there has been an explosive move. The initial move has happened already, so this one is on the watch list. If we look at the daily time frame, yeah, it can contract a little more. So yeah, we will have to wait for a couple of days on this one. Again, on this one, there was a good move to the upside. the EMAs are pointing in the right direction and the price has moved above the 200 EMA. So a little bit of consolidation more needs to happen before the explosive move. So I'll wait for the VCP pattern, the contraction pattern for the price and the volume as well. And then it would be a good setup to take the trades on. Yeah, this one again, good move to the upside. I want the price to contract more before taking any entries. So all these are on the watch list. Again, the good move, but yeah, we still need to wait for the pattern to appear. The contraction pattern of the price should happen before we take the entry. This one again, nice setup, but I still want price to contract a little more before taking any sort of entry. So yeah, you can take the names: Blue Jet, this one, Kamat Hotels, Global Health, and Ally Digital. So you have a good opportunity not to just to have this on your watch list and get trade ideas, but even if you just want to learn and not enter any trades at this time, so you can have this on your watch list and observe the price action, how it appears. So it's good for both the beginners who don't just want to trade right now but want to just learn, or for seasoned traders who are already trading this kind of setup or are into swing trading and want to have any trade ideas for explosive moves. So you can follow my channel, subscribe to it, please. I am going to have weekly watch list and you can get trade ideas. Like the video as well, and if you have any VCP patterns that you are aware of that's not in the list that I have, you can put it in the comment section. It can be useful to many other viewers as well. So yeah, that's one thing. And before you go, I want to show you one thing. If you are interested in how I find these stocks and how I trade this setup, I have prepared this Bible. It's not yet out. I'm working on the recording of this. But yeah, this is a unique training guide for you. Everything in one place. The idea is to have all the knowledge for this kind of setup in one place. The thing is, I have included 100 case studies, which is a unique way to learn. You will train your eyes by looking at those cases, when to take those trades, when not to take those trades. That's really important. So these two modules, the secret sauce and the 100 case studies, this is all experience and no one will tell you. It's not in any books. And what works, what doesn't work, it's all in this secret sauce and those 100 case studies. So apart from that, what indicators to use, how to find these stocks in first place, enter and exit strategies. So everything will be included. But yeah, the 100 case studies and secret sauce will be really helpful for you. So yeah, keep an eye on this. It will be out in a couple of months, not immediately. I'm still in the process of recording it and fine tuning it. But yeah, this will be very useful if you really want to get into swing trading and find explosive moves. So keep an eye for this one as well. So that's it from me today. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video though. Thank you. Bye.